The name of this topic is area between two rectangles. Here's the question. A rectangular garden measures 23 feet by 64 feet. Surrounding and bordering the garden is a path 3 feet wide. Find the area of this path, and we have to include the correct unit in our answer. Let's take care of the unit part first. Since the question is about area, we know we're going to need this as the unit because area is always measured in square units and it's two-dimensional. It has height and it has width. This problem is easier to do if we have a picture. So here's a picture of the garden as described, 46 feet by 23 feet. Then what we know is we have a 3-foot wide path that's going around the garden. So we'll put that on the outside of the garden like this. So now it's shaded. And the 3 is here to show that it's 3 feet long. So now what we need to know is what are the dimensions of the area including the path? So if the path goes out 3 feet in each direction, it's 3 feet from here to here, it's 3 feet going this way, and 3 feet going this way. So if this inside piece here is 23, plus 3 plus 3. Now we know in each way we're going to add 6. Does that make sense? I hope, because we're going to add 3 here and 3 here. So going along here we knew was 23. So going along here we know has to be 29 because we take the 23 plus 3 plus 3. Now we'll do the same for the side that was 46. So the inside piece is 46. Plus we have 3 feet going out this way and 3 feet going out this way, so that's another 6. So that means this edge is 52. The path is represented by the shaded part between the two, so we could actually figure out the area of this piece, the shaded part, by doing the whole outside area and subtract the entire inside area. And if you'll recall, area is base times height. So we could take the base times height of the smaller one, which would be 46 by 23. We could take the base times height of the bigger one, which is 52 times 29. And if we're doing the outside area minus the inside area, what's left would be the shaded part. So then when you figure out the area of the larger piece, it's 1,508 minus the area of the inside part, which is 1,058. When we subtract those, we're left with 450 feet, which would be the area of the path. Okay, let's solve another one. Now we have a rectangular yard measuring 30 feet by 48 feet. It's bordered and surrounded by a fence. Inside, a walk that's 3 feet wide goes all the way along the fence. Find the area of the walk. Probably the easiest thing to do is to draw a picture. So here's what we know. The yard is 30 by 48 and it's a rectangle. This time, the fence is inside. The walk, is inside. So when we draw this picture, we're going to draw a rectangle inside the other rectangle that's 3 feet wide. So if we do the area of the outside minus the area of the inside, just like we did on the last problem, what we're left with will be the area of the speckled part because we're taking the whole entire area and subtracting out the middle piece. So what's left will be the speckled part. So if each side is 3 feet long, from here to here and here to here, we know the outside piece is 48 by 30. The inside piece then, this side will be 42 because the outside was 48 minus 3 minus 3. This piece we knew was 30, and we know it's 3 from there to there, 3 from there to there, 24 from there to there, so that's a total of 30. So we're still going to solve this in the same way that we did before, where we take the area of the larger triangle, which is the 30 by 48, which is 1,440. We're going to subtract from that the area of the smaller rectangle, which was the one that was 42 by 24. The answer to that is 1,008. So when we find the two areas and subtract them, we're left with 432 square feet. Remember, always label it with the little 2 because area is two-dimensional. It has height and it has width. And that is how you solve the area between two rectangles.